After failing at the first braid out hairstyle I tried some months back, that was sometime last year. Well, this I redid it same last year, but I'm just uploading the video now. So after failing at that attempt, the braid out didn't turn out well, the curls didn't curl. Now I've decided to try it another time, and this time I'm deliberate about it. So I have some products I used, especially I've discovered the ORS foam wrap. That product is a curl keeper, so I'm going to use it to actualize this style, because I noticed that when I use the ORS olive oil foam wrap, it works. So this time I decided to try this product and the ORS. I wanted to compare. They are both foam wraps, but this one I majorly use it for braids. I've never used it on my hair directly, and on this day I decided to give it a try. So trust me, after this use I don't think I want to use it on my hair again, because at the end of the day it gave my hair this feel. It felt strong, it felt hard, made my hair feel hard. It didn't feel soft. It didn't give you that feeling I get from the ORS olive oil foam wrap. So I went ahead and braided all the hair in sections after parting. Like I said, I will not be using it again, so I went back to my ORS olive oil foam wrap, and that was what I used for the rest of the hair. I ain't touching the classic foam wrap anymore. I only use it for braids, for when I use hair extensions, not human hair extensions. When I use extensions for braids, or when I fix dreads, that's when I use it. But on my own natural hair, I feel it's too harsh for my natural hair. And here the sun decided to shine on me. So the next morning, I'm taking down the hair. I'm just using shea butter to oil the hair, and as much as possible avoid frizz. I had, after braiding the hair the previous day, used these bendable rollers to curl the tips of the hair, just to give it a fuller look around the ends. So I just went ahead to take down all the braids. A quick check at the time, because I'm rushing to work. So here I want to compare both products. Even though the rest of the hair is I use the ORS olive oil foam wrap, but for the front area I use this one I'm loosening now. I use the classics foam wrap, and I'm surprised that the curl actually did well. The curl came out well. Is it my hair or I'm mistaken? I'm trying to compare it with the ORS olive oil foam wrap, and honestly I really cannot tell if there is any difference, so close look, this is both of them side by side. I really cannot tell. So I'm just separating the hair here. Separate, fluff out the hair, shake. I used my hands instead of comb. I wanted it to have some volume. If I use a comb to comb it, it will comb out all the curls. So I just used my hand to fluff out the hair, and then edge control on my edges, and that's it. So like I said, let me know what you think, guys. Did you notice any difference? Because I really cannot see if there is any difference, but I think the classic foam wrap did well. It did good. It it didn't disappoint, and I'm thinking of using it one of these days alone on my entire hair. And this is the final look, guys. Bye.